joy, taste, discovery.
Yeah, this particular field trip courses, we're learning about things like sustainability. We're learning about points of view. We're learning about Thai culture. We're learning about business. And through all that, we'll learn about sustainable tourism, sustainable business. Key insights are those insights that we gain right on the ground at the community level. So today we had an opportunity to learn from some food vendors at a local market, and hearing their stories about building their businesses, creating their recipes, and their hopes and dreams for the futures are those insights that become the most memorable and probably the most important to our learning.
A moment that really stands out to me was when after our food tour and this packed, incredibly exciting day, we got on a tuk-tuk for the first time, and just that moment of seeing the 5 other tuk-tuks in front of us with all of our classmates just enjoying and soaking in Bangkok was just, it was so wonderful.
Supporting local communities is very important. I see the intrinsic value of speaking to local people and not getting sucked into the tourism lens of everything, not only traveling to a place just because that's where everybody goes. I think getting to the core of the place that you're going to is really important if you actually want to get a valuable connected experience to the place that you're exploring, because it's definitely a privilege to travel and be here. So I would want to make the most of it and learn as much as I can.
I think it's an opportunity to broaden your horizons and to develop connections that will really enrich your life going forward.
I think no matter what, studying abroad, going abroad for more than a week is always worth it. It will always change your perspective. I think travel is so valuable in order to grow as people and learn about the world around you. So I think go. I think if you're even thinking about it, my advice would be to just go, just commit.
Absolutely, I would recommend these types of trips to other universities because it gets you out of the classroom. Gets you out of the classroom and gets you sweating and trying new foods and speaking to people from all over the world. So absolutely, I would.